So one thing we always like to tell people when they call 911, if they're asking how could I have prevented this, sometimes just being prepared is the best prevention. For example, if you're out swimming at your house by the pool, it's always a good idea to bring your cell phone out and just have it by the pool. People don't often think of this because they assume their house phone is right inside. But in an emergency, seconds really count, and it's going to be a lot easier to pick this up and call 911 and get someone on the line quickly than to have to run in the house, because you may not want to leave what's happening out here depending on what the situation is. So in closing, I just want to take a minute to remind you of a few really important things to remember when you call 911. First of all, you want to always state as quickly and clearly as you can the main emergency, what's happening right now, which is the reason you're calling 911. And secondly, you need to give your location, especially if you're on a cell phone. You need to be as specific as possible with an address or an intersection, and maybe describe some businesses and what homes look like nearby, anything that's going to help emergency services reach you as quickly as possible. And remember, if it's a medical emergency and you're not the one who needs medical attention, try to be next to the patient so that you can tell the dispatcher what's going on with them. Remember, you always want to stay on the phone until the operator tells you it's safe to disconnect. And you want to try to remain as calm as possible so you really hear what they're asking you and you're able to coherently give an accurate picture of what's happening. I want to thank you so much for watching the series. And if you have any questions or you want some information, the best thing to do is to contact your local police and fire departments, and they can tell you exactly how the emergency services work in your area.